welcome to another Sugar and Spice. And today I'll be showing you how to make this Jello no-bake cherry cheesecake. Tools and equipment we'll be using today. We're going to be using the little mix here, which once I open it up, it has this step 1 crust mix, step 2 filling mix, and step 3 the cherry topping. And then it has the, and for the crust you're going to need 2 tablespoons sugar and 5 teaspoons margarine or butter that's melted. And then for the filling, 1 to half a cup cups of cold milk. And then for the best flavor, do not use prepared non-fat dry milk. Filling will have soft set if made with soy milk. And that's basically that. And then it has the directions here, so we're just going to follow them today. Mix your graham cracker, crust, sugar, and 5 tablespoons of butter and margarine into a 9-inch cake pan bowl. Mix until it has this nice like even consistency. Okay, now I'm pretty happy with this consistency. So you want to just take your fingers and pat it into place on the edge of the bowl. Do this until the pan is completely filled. With the electric mixer, we're going to cream together a little filling packet. Make sure you have it all in there. 1.5 cups of milk. And we're going to mix this all together. Mix on low speed for 30 seconds. Then be on a medium speed for 3 minutes. Once you're done creaming it together, and it'll be kind of thick, fill it into your little pie, onto your crust and your pie, glass tin thing, and make sure you get it all over, onto the sides and everything. You want it to be really nice and even. Once you're finished with this, put it into the fridge for 1 hour to chill. Once you take your pie out of the fridge, we're going to add our yum cherry topping. Now this is an optional extra, but I recommend you use it just to give your little your pie some extra flair. Make sure you get it all out of the packet. And then take your spatula and spread it around. Try to give it a nice even coat. This looks so good. Please comment and watch all our other videos on our channel, Sugar and Spice. Please comment, subscribe, and like this video. Okay. Now there is our finished cherry cream cheesecake pie. It smells delicious and it'll be yummy. You can serve this at Thanksgiving or Christmas or any time you'd like. This is just a really fun thing to do. And no bake. Easy, simple, and very effective. Thanks for watching another Sugar and Spice, and bye!